Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Pipedrive to manage lost deals using automations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the settings section in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Click on API to access your API credentials. Note down your API key, as you'll need it for authorization. Next, open a new tab in your web browser. Visit the Pipedrive Automation Center at the designated URL. Sign in using your Pipedrive credentials if prompted. Once inside the Automation Center, select Create Automation. Choose the trigger for your automation by selecting a condition related to lost deals. For example, you might select Deal Status Changed to Lost. Next, define the action that should occur once the trigger is activated. You can choose a variety of actions, such as sending notifications or updating deal fields. To set the action, click on Add Action and choose the desired option. In the configuration window that appears, specify the details prompted. For instance, if you're sending a notification, include the message and recipient. After configuring your actions, ensure that you save the automation. Now, return to your main Pipedrive dashboard. Navigate to the Deals section to review your deals. To test your automation, manually change a deal's status to lost. Check if the defined actions trigger correctly based on this change. If everything works as planned, your automation is successfully set up. To make adjustments, revisit the Automation Center and modify any step as needed. Once satisfied, you're ready to utilize Pipedrive's automation for managing lost deals effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.